Looking to capture every angle on the road? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 dash cams with front and rear coverage, perfect for added safety, clear evidence, and peace of mind while driving. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip lover, these dual-lens dash cams have your back and front. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Fifth product on our list, Catveer Car Dash Cam. The Catveer 4-channel dash cam delivers full HD 1080p recording from the front, rear, left, and right. It ensures complete coverage of your surroundings while driving. Equipped with a wide 170 degrees view angle and an f2.0 aperture, this dash cam captures clear footage, even in low light. Thanks to its night vision feature, your recordings remain sharp, day or night. With loop recording, motion detection, and a G sensor, it never misses a critical moment. Parking monitor and real-time surveillance offer added security when your car is parked. It features a built-in IPS screen for instant playback. No touch screen, but it's simple and effective. Hardwire kit supported. It's powered via a 6M cord. Reliable even in extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Fourth product on our list, GMAIPOP 4K Dash Cam. The GMAIPOP 4K Dash Cam delivers real 4K resolution for crystal clear recordings. Whether you're capturing front, cabin, or rear views, it ensures nothing is missed. Its Sony IMX335 sensor and f2.0 aperture provide sharp detail, even in low light. Night vision, WDR, and real-time surveillance make it reliable day and night. This model supports Wi-Fi, so you can quickly review or transfer footage via your smartphone. With loop recording, motion detection, and a G sensor, your recordings stay secure and continuous. The 3-inch IPS screen is bright and easy to navigate, although it's not a touchscreen. Plus, it supports up to 256 gigabytes of external storage. Built for tough conditions, it works from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Installation is simple with a 6-meter cable. The GMAIPOP Dash Cam is a powerful and compact solution for safer driving and smart monitoring. Third product on our list, AZDOME M550 Dash Cam. The AZDOME M550 Pro is a top-tier 3-channel dash cam that combines cutting-edge features for superior driving security. It records in 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, ensuring clear footage from every angle. Equipped with a built-in GPS, this dash cam tracks your speed and coordinates, adding an extra layer of protection. The 3.19-inch IPS screen provides easy access to footage, although it's not a touchscreen. The camera's night vision and wide dynamic range deliver sharp images in low-light conditions. It also supports Wi-Fi, allowing remote control via an app. With loop recording, G sensor, and parking monitoring, your car stays protected 24/7. It's designed with a supercapacitor, ensuring reliable performance across temperature ranges from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Second product on our list, DDPAI Z50 Dual Dash Cam. The DDPAI Z50, a high-performance dual dash cam built for precision and clarity. It records in true 4K with a 2160p front camera and 1080p for the rear, offering ultra-clear footage day or night. Thanks to the Sony IMX415 sensor and f1.75 aperture, every detail is sharp and vibrant. The Z50 features built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, making it easy to review and share videos instantly while tracking routes and speed. It supports loop cycle recording and captures audio, ensuring nothing is missed. Although it lacks a display screen, it pairs smoothly with the DDPAI app for convenient control. Its compact, screen-free design is powered via a corded electric source and uses advanced H.265 video compression. With support for up to 512 GB memory cards, it's perfect for long drives. Reliable, smart, and efficient, the Z50 is your silent road companion. First product on our list, REDTIGER 3-channel dash cam. The REDTIGER 3-channel dash cam is built for complete coverage. It captures in true 4K with a Sony IMX335 sensor for crisp front footage, plus rear and inside views for full protection. The wide 170 degrees view angle ensures no detail is missed. Its standout feature? Built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi. This means fast app connectivity and accurate location tracking. Even better, the IR night vision keeps recording clear, even in total darkness. The H.265 codec saves space, while loop recording and a G sensor add peace of mind. It supports up to 256 GB SD cards for extended storage. Designed for both Android and iOS, it's easy to control with a smartphone. The REDTIGER also runs on a supercapacitor, making it more heat-resistant and durable.